Perfect. Perfect.
Hey guys, good morning. Today is Saturday. Today like the 23rd, I think. I just woke up, did some laundry, and I have work today. And I haven't vlogged in a long time, so I thought I would just do a vlog today for you guys. It's going to be a long day. Today I have 3 people. I have 2 installations and a touch up in the middle. I don't know, I haven't vlogged in a while, so somebody don't want to do a vlog. So I'm gonna finish, get ready. My client's outside. I'm going to, you know, just put in my earrings and my necklace because I just feel weird without them. And then I'm going to start working. Of course, I'm gonna show you know what I'm working on today. I have my hair in these passion twists, and I will take them down later and show it to you guys. But for now, I'm gonna start work. Stay tuned for the vlog. I think it's gonna be a one-day vlog, probably a little chit chat after work, or maybe I just keep it for the whole weekend. Maybe, I don't know. But y'all already know what to do. Hit the subscribe button. We're on our way to, I think, 26k. Yeah, I think 26. Yeah. Marla knocked on the door. I gotta go, guys. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Come on, Chris.
Are you following?
No, girl. Panda computer. Panda computer. So the folder right there, so boom.
Which folder?
Down at bottom. Yeah. It did actually play upon VLC.
There's no folder.
Oh, going at the shape or something. How much months this again now?
Why?
Alright, guys. 2 and a bit touch up. And this is this is your second install? Yeah. Yeah. Me a vlog today. Alright. Alright, so then the folder we name TV shows. And then after TV shows, it name the following. Get ready for stress out. I'll do it all day long. Fresh roots.
Please, Mary. Offer you a drink. All right, sure, yeah. Whatever you're drinking.
Alright guys, so I was with my 3rd client and we're running out of here, so we're going to go cherries and maple right quick to get some here for finish. Marley, come here, have lunch. What? Eat it now? Don't you think you want to move the skin first? Oh my god, give it back. Hey guys, good morning. Last night was so crazy. We never done work until like after 12. Because we originally thought that we were just going to add extensions to the end, but the rest of our hair was so thin, so we ended up putting extensions on everything, and that's a 2-man job. Did it by myself. I ended up finishing after 12. I got in like after 1, after cleaning up and stuff, and then I showered and I was sleeping like probably after 3 because I couldn't fall asleep right away. Speaking of sleep, I'm trying to get her to wake up. It's Sunday. I have work today. It's like after 7 and I have work at 9. I'm trying to get her to wake up so I can get her to bathe and give her breakfast and all them things here so she can be ready for the day. I was trying to see if I could send her to church with my mom, because then it would be easier and I wouldn't have to need anybody to watch her. But yeah guys, I am so freaking tired. I am so tired. I don't even know if I got eat for breakfast. I don't know. Oh shoot, just remember someone needs to make a call. Yeah, I'll just check in with you guys like after. I am so tired guys. I'm gonna just check in with them after. Mala, wake up. Wake up. Okay guys, I just quickly ate. I swear tired is an understatement right now. I'm gonna start work. It's like after 9, like a little bit after 9, and you guys don't start working at 9. I work 9 to 6, right? So I'm gonna start now. I am so tired. This is a Faux Loc installation first, a touch up, and then another Faux Loc installation, the natural glam locks. Guys, more asleep. So wait, the guy is being stopped or active?
And a young boy need a big man in like 60, I don't know.
Are you the start? You want to start him though? Or she just wants some money?
I don't know. The police go to her.
Seriously? Alright, she too much now. She too much.
Girl, you a walking trophy. You a walking trophy. My girl, you a walking trophy. Yeah, your friends, them a walking trophy.
Sit it again. I never remembered that I was vlogging, see. So I need a clip from a vlog. And this shall be it. Yeah. Nope. Go. Hey. Hi. I like your outfit. Hey, guys, I go pan a quick ice cream run. Stop! Uncle! Uncle! Oh, this. Oh, my so super. Look at them, remember, say they're close to something there now. Don't go figure up the car. Just touch up now and stop force your hand. Alright. Alright guys, due to all my come get ice cream and some of my clients, I'm all kinds of hype right now. Carry away to this. Where? Just natural. Where you reach are just natural by the way. Crazy. This is dope though.
Not far from work.
Say that's literally leave work and go to that. That's dope. How long this take?
About 30 minutes.
Guys, I'm about to go pick up Marla from daycare. I don't even normally drive in slippers. Guys, I bought one of the something they wanted to tell me if I buy me, they buy one, but it's inside. Bro. Where's the volume control in this bitch? Oh, okay. Yes, I'm gonna pick up Marla now. I had one client today, so that's that. So now I'm going to pick her up and we're just gonna chill for the rest of the evening. I'm gonna show you guys her when she gets in the car, and that's basically gonna be this vlog, right? I don't even know what I'm gonna call it. I don't even know what the purpose of this vlog was. It was just like a checking in kind of thing. And I never got to take a snap of the girls' hair when we just do, but I think I'll try to insert pictures of that. But yeah, I'm gonna go get her now. I think I kind of supposed the phone like right here maybe. Yeah, let's see if that works. Okay. Guys, this girl don't like daycare none at all. Like Marla hates daycare. Marla hates daycare so bad. I don't understand why. She legit does not want to go. Every single time I drop her off is like, is hell. Be a balling. I don't normally go get her this early anyway. Fire random, yo. How the hell you move from friggin' how you move from rap / trap to something like this? I can't with them. Big man thing. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave on here so I'm go for Marla and come back. Sit on. Yeah, I'm filming. Yeah, that your cheese sticks though. Look, you're full of cheese sticks. How was your day? How was your day? You look like you're that cry. You can't stop the crying. Eh? I have to come pick you up and cry, guys. I go fear a while I'm gonna cry, she cry. I don't understand. Hello, boss. Marley? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Why do you hate daycare so much? Tell everybody goodbye. Say bye. Bye. Alright guys, this is the end of the vlog. I'm gonna go relax now. My hair, oh my god. I've had these twists in for not long. But it's the kind of hair that I used. And I was supposed to do a tutorial on this. It's like a remix of the passion twist. But you know, I swear, I don't know what happened. I haven't gotten the time to film at all. I still have so many unedited files on my computer, on my hard drive. And then my hair, my scalp, I stopped using my sulfur aid. So look here. That's like y'all can see it's snowing. That's what started happening because I stopped using my sulfur aid. But I'll see you guys in my next vlog. I'm trying to work on some really bomb content for you guys. My problem is I don't have time to film and I don't have time to edit. So even if I have a lot of content, I can't really put it out as often or as frequent as I would want. So I'm working on a schedule, which is like the hardest thing because I just feel like I must just get up and do it every day. But I'm going to try to work on a schedule. For now, Fridays are my day off and I had to curb myself to do that because I never had a day off. I just work every day. even if it was one client, you know. But of course, as usual, booking info will be down below in the description bar. Thank you guys so much for the love you guys have been giving me. Yeah, my love no bad. Hey daughter. Yo, watch her. Ginal girl. But yeah guys, love you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. I hate when you act shy. See, you're not even shy. Stop it. Thumbs up. This girl. Bye guys.